So this situation is happening a lot more at shops. A customer goes out, buys one of these bulbs either online or at a retailer, and they think it's going to work in the vehicle. It's an LED bulb. It's different than an incandescent bulb that it's replacing, and it's now causing issues with their vehicle. So what's going on here? Well, it comes down to resistance. An LED bulb has less resistance than an incandescent bulb. And most vehicles that are modern have a lighting control module that detects resistance in the circuit and will turn off that circuit if it detects an issue with either the bulb or the harness itself. So when they install that LED bulb, let's say for a headlight, side marker, or brake light, it detects that the resistance is dropped. It assumes there's an open circuit. So what does it do? Well, it turns on a warning light on the dash, maybe even a little message, says brake light's inoperative, and then it sets a code inside the lighting control module or body control module. So what can you do? Well, in some cases, you do have to install the incandescent bulb. If you want to do a little bit of custom work, you can install a resistor into the circuit to mimic an incandescent bulb, but in some vehicles, you're better off installing an incandescent bulb in certain applications. But LEDs are improving every single year, especially for replacement applications. Just keep it in mind that certain applications, it's not going to work for a brake light, parking light, or side marker light. But for some applications where it's not controlled by a lighting control module that's looking at the resistance in the circuit, it's going to work out great. And the customer could be very happy with an LED bulb and, let's say, a fog light. So just keep this in mind when you're recommending bulbs or diagnosing a lighting problem, and you'll solve the problem very quickly. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.